Ninil. Wait, I'm trying to log in. I can't log in, bro. My God. Ready ka na sa Canada? Yeah, I'm... hinahanda ko na yung mga... damit ko. Malamig ba? Like, yung mga taga-Canada dyan, sobrang lamig ba dyan? Malamig ba talaga sa Canada? Mainit dito. Ay, sige. Baka Vancouver, yan? Vancouver QC yan eh. You rewrite your passwords in a notepad. Yeah, I know. I'm so forgetful. Wait lang, I need to check. Upcoming shows, wala, but I'm working on, well, yeah, show. I'm working on Baguettes right now. Working on Baguettes, the musical. And kasama ko ang mga ilan sobrang napakahusay na Viva artist na boys. Hindi ko pa pwede sabihin kung sino yung adi namin, which is yung last role na i-reveal. And yeah, like it's sobrang lang. I mean, medyo kinabahan ako kasi I'm the only Star Magic. Hello everybody. Hi J Lopez. Congratulations. Tips para mabilis humaba ang buhok. Kasi kung di nyo alam, I had a very short haircut a few months ago. Tapos ngayon, ito na yung itsura niyan. So, I think yung tips ay huwag kang maligo. Joke lang. Maligo ka syempre, pero hindi araw-araw kailangan mag-shampoo. Kasi since yung hair mo sobrang ikli, or maikli yung hair mo, you don't really need to shampoo it that often. Actually, masama ang mag-shampoo araw-araw. So, just wash your hair, but with water lang. Or kung with conditioner kung gusto mo. Tagasan po kayo sa Paranaque. Hindi ko pwede po sabihin. Sorry po. Hindi ko pwede sabihin. Hindi pwede, Hindi yan pwede. Location reveal. Yeah, I think my hair genetics are very my hair genetics are good kasi it grows really fast. Water or conditioner, di ang oily. No, kasi depends kasi there's a hair mo. Kasi yung hair ko is normal, quite normal. Hindi siya sobrang oily pero hindi siya sobrang Pero kailangan you really have to massage your head. Hindi yung parang ibubuhos mo lang tapos okay na yan. Hindi ganyan. You have to rinse it. You have to massage your scalp. Ganyan. Usual. Kasi may mga bad dirt din na kailangan mong hugasan. Tips how to review while watching your live. Mag-review ka na lang, huwag ka na manood ng live. Kasi kapag manood ka, madi-distract ka lang. Hirap. No distractions. When you're reviewing, no distractions ako. Bangis yung long hair, thank you. Next year ulit ako magpapagupit ng sobrang ikli na parang last Admired sa mga kabataan na well-mannered at alam ang salitang respect by his actions. Are you referring to me? Miss ko na yung content mo na Sing With Me. I can make again. Pwede ako gumawa ulit. Sasayaw ka ba sa Yeah, heavy dance. Oh my God. Pero kaya ko naman. Kaya ko naman sumayaw, guys. Hindi naman ano. I can dance. But I just choose not to, alam mo yun. Marunong ako sumayaw, pero ano, hindi ko, pinipili ko na lang hindi. Dapat sumali ka rin sa Your Face. Actually, they were asking me if I could. Pero sabi ko kasi, wala kasi akong ini-impersonate. Ay, hindi, Eric Santos. Pero yan lang. Hanggang dyan lang, Eric Santos lang. Siguro, Elvis Presley. Pero yan lang. Hindi ako tatagal dyan sa Your Face. So, I had to say no kasi mapapahiya lang sarili ko diyan. Legit. Mapapahiya lang ako. Pero I'm happy Alexa's there kasi at least we have someone to root for, 'di ba? 50 likes sasayaw po 'yan. Sige. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, aglapit na. Wag na. I take back. Zoop. I take back. Hindi. Joke lang. Eric Santos. Nawala nga eh. Di na ako marunong eh. Di na ako marunong mag-impersonate ng si Kuya Eric Santos. Tapos ang dami na niyang impersonators. Hi Nine, hello. Thank you for coming by. Happy weekend, guys. I know it's not super happy kasi umuulan. And praying for Cebu, of course. Praying for the people in Cebu. Kapag na-check nyo po sa IG ko, if you guys can donate, leave some donations, ABS-CBN posted where you can donate emergency hotlines. So please go check out my IG. Check mo yung reposts ko. Go to ABS-CBN's page. And if you guys want to donate, please do. Okay. Yeah. Ay, KD, talking stage lang ako na bahala mag-move on. Grabe, guys. Grabe naman kayo sa sarili nyo, guys. You should love yourself. Huwag kayong hanggang stalking stage lang. Kahit to. Dapat pag nagsimula ng talking stage, dapat hanggang baby stage. Hanggang kasal stage na yan. Baby stage. Oh, magkakaroon kayo ng baby, ganyan. Malapit na sumayaw si Katie. Can't wait for your Arnel era. Yes, thank you. Yeah. See, if you guys watched the original movie ng Bagets, actually nasa YouTube siya. Siya yung siya si Rainbow Lauchenko, and siya yung parang rich kid na maarte na konyo. So, ako yan. I really researched that. During I was choosing whether I would audition for Adi which is Agamulap, or si Arnel Raymond Lauchenko. Pero I'm happy with what I got. And I'm happy din ako sa Adi natin. So super happy. I think parang hindi ko nasasabihin. Basta kilala niyo na yung Adi namin. Rich kid pala siya. Yes, ma'am. Rich kid. Sana din sa totoong buhay. Just kidding. Muntik na. Hello, Andrea. Yeah, guys, dito yung RM ko, si Andy. ANDEE. Shout out, guys. What's up, guys? How's school so far? It was good. It's good naman kasi wala, I'm just taking it easy lang sa school ko kasi I'm juggling between projects right now. And guys, yeah, if nasa Vancouver kayo or if you guys are in Canada, please come and watch us I'm in ASAP Vancouver with plenty of artists and of course with Alexa. Yeah, I'm in college na. I was in college. I mean, I've been in college. Tinuloy ko lang recently. Film IG account when. I have so much film in my I have so much pictures in my camera. Wait lang, I'll show you guys a few of them. Wait lang. I think I will get it. Should I check my pictures? Because when I first got this, I was really taking pictures talaga. Pero syempre I got busy. Tweet mo last year pa. I know. Oh my god. Life gets in the way. Life gets in the way, huh? I have some pictures here. Checking. Most of these are projects from school. Kasi may photography class kami ngayon. So check ko lang yung mga photos. I don't have a lot. I mean, I have a lot but nothing really much of substance. I really want to take and capture things of substance more. Ayan, ito si Kenzo. Kasi I had to shoot Kenzo for his prom. May prom, nagka-prom si Kenzo, so he went there. Tapos, that's it. I don't have much pictures actually. Yeah. Wish me luck sa exam mo. Wishing you luck, si an innocent. Wishing you luck. Yes. Sa exam. Good luck sa exam mo and kayang-kaya mo yan. Pag pinansin mo ako, Katie, matutulog na ako. Matulog ka na, Albi. Albi Casino? Ay, hindi. hindi. Si Albi lang. Okay. When will you leave for Canada? I'm leaving. I'm not saying. I'm not. I forgot. I forgot the date. Yeah. Okay. My cam pala is a Fuji X-E3. It was Alexa's birthday gift to me this year. So yes, I use it for class. I use it for for casual, wala, mga brunch lang. Pa-shout out Joylyn. So I had to favorite photo of Alexa in your cam. I can't show. I'm not allowed to show. I don't think it's I want to keep it private, you know. Future plans aside from pursuing acting. Besides acting, I want to I really want to try behind the camera stuff like directing, photography, ganyan. Also business. I have a lot of interests. Marami akong gustong gawin. Bagets? Yes, the musical. Next year, January. Malapit na kaming i-reveal lahat. Nice seeing you and Noel in the same this time in theater. Yes, I know. Noel is a great actor and super happy to be working with him. He's super young pero siya yung pinaka-veteran sa amin. Sobrang hasana niyang theater and he's been doing it for like a decade na. Yeah, lakas ng ulan guys. Please keep safe. How was the auditioning process? Oh my god. Wala akong tulog nun guys. Grabe. Wala akong tulog. Tapos, I was just like, in my head, I was like, sinasabi ko, what if di ko makuha to? Dabi kong ano. Pero, I'm super proud kasi ito yung unang role na in-auditionan ko na natanggap ko. So, I'm very proud of that. And I'm proud din na I'm proud that I was able to get a role. Kasi I was initially auditioning for si Adi or si Arnel. So I was auditioning for either Adi or Arnel, and I got Arnel. So it was both. I was auditioning for 2 roles. I got one. At least I got one. January is my birth month. Sana opening show. Yeah, I know. If it's... Yeah. Oh, advance happy birthday pala 9. Yeah. Sige. Note kayo guys. Note kayo. I'm super proud of that I got this, I got this project. Kasi it's a very iconic movie. And I'm happy to be doing a role. Yun din yung pangarap ko I wanted... Before the year ends, I wanted to do something. Yeah, I wanted to do something medyo grande. And sakto nasa Newport siya. I wanted to end the year with a bang, and I think I did. And I have one more project din that I'm working on. Actually, I just worked on it. I'm not allowed to reveal the details kasi I signed a non-disclosure agreement, but yeah, I worked on a film din this year. Super saglit, special participation ako. Special participation. And I think I'll be revealed soon din kung ano yung ko dyan. What's harder, stage acting? They're both super different. I'm not saying an expert ako sa acting I'm not saying expert ako sa acting or magaling ako umarte. I'm just saying super different beasts. Kasi sa theater, you have to really project. You have to project your voice. Your movement is your expressions. Your movement. Of course, syempre kasama ang face. That's given. But your body is a part of your expression of your emotions, what your character is going through. The way you react to circumstances, but very much different. Kasi on camera, sobrang liit ng mga expressions mo. Sobrang liit ng mga reactions mo unless directed otherwise so yeah, super different sila. What do you enjoy the most between the two? That's a good question. What I enjoy most about theater, I like the aspect of it being a musical, with the one I'm doing right now. I love music, I love singing. So I like that I can implement my 2 passions into one. Pero yun lang, sasayaw din ako. So humanda kayo guys. Sasayaw ako. Kita mo, sasayaw si KD ng dance break. Gusto niya ng break dance, mag-break dance si KD. Will there be twists or is it sticking to the main story of Bagets? A few twists. Yung main story, overall the same. I think they removed, I don't want to say, but yeah, like they just remove a bit of controversial stuff din. Kasi, syempre it's the 80s, a very different time, super different time. And there were things that were socially acceptable back then na ngayon hindi socially acceptable, so they removed that, of course. Ano pa? Yeah, but otherwise I think it's the Baguette storyline, yeah. KD, naka-eye contact ko na naman. Crush ko kanina, tas may GF pala siya. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that, Lilac Riv. Sorry, maghanap ka na lang ng ibang ka-eye contact na walang girlfriend. I watch, yeah, super nostalgic. Bagets is very nostalgic. And yeah, we're treating it as a period play because we're not adding anything modern because it's an 80s story. It's an 80s, it's a very 80s driven play because that's where the plot mostly revolves around. So it's not gonna be modernized. It's 80s. Is Blank part of the cast? You have to wait and see. You have to wait and see. Your voice is more baritone na I would know you would eat up the show stuff. Thank you. But yeah, yung most of the actually yeah, I've lost a few notes. I lost a few notes sa register ko. Pero I can still hit them, but not like not as well as before. Pero actually mas deeper yung voice ko ngayon kasi I don't know why. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Especially lalo na sa pagkanta, mas malalim na boses ko. Siguro nagbibinata na ako at 23. I'm super excited sa lahat ng pangyayari sa buhay namin ngayon. Yeah, I know it's super different pero I'm super happy. Super happy kasi wala, like I feel like after a long stagnant few months na parang dinududa ko sarili ko. Pero ngayon parang there's like a little bit of there's more hope na. There's more hope. Super grateful din sa mga pangyayari. KD, how do you make pigil the feelings to someone na madalas kausap na parang kami? Oh wait, kinakausap ka niya na parang kayo? Or basta parang nag-uusap kayo na parang kayo? That's the question. Thank you si Doc Arnold, my dentist. Ay Doc, itong ngipin ko na to, my dentist yan. Na parang kayo, okay. Si Elle, I'm super invested in this storyline now. Okay. So, I don't know, parang kasi kapag ganyan sobrang ang labo na niya. Like, so parang kayo lang but hindi talaga kayo. So you guys need to put a label on that. You need to put a boundary. You need to set, oy, ano ba? Kinakausap mo ko parang magjowa tayo pero hindi talaga tayo. Like you have to face that because like that's sobrang labo nun. Ligawan mo na siya, sign mo na to. Yeah, like what she said. Pero if pag ganyan kasi feeling ko lang hindi ko nilalahat. Feeling ko ayaw na sa commitment. Gusto nilang na parang may kausap na parang mangjowa pero hindi talaga. Do not assume unless stated. But okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. That's just what I don't know this person, but I think you guys should put a clear boundary on what's happening because it gets malabo. Sobrang labo na niyan. Yeah, I'm super happy din sa mga blessings ko. Mag-propose ka na lang. Adi ang nasa name tag mo, no? Yeah. I had Adi and Arnel. Actually, they gave me two. Kasi they gave me two. So, one was Adi, then Arnel. So, I switched between the two. Tinitignan ata nila kung kanino ako bagay. So, bagay ako kay Arnel. Bumagay ako kay Arnel. So, I guess, yun na yun. Nakikita nyo ba, Raymond? Search nga natin. Raymond Lauchenko Bagets. Ayan. Oh, ito yung itsura niya nung Bagets, the movie. Bagay, ito tama ba? Ito yung gaganapan kong character. This is me. Yeah, that's the character I'm playing. Shoutout kay Sir Raymond Lauchenko. You're a legend. Alright, so I don't know what to do now anymore. So childish. Yeah. Okay. Why so childish? Because I'm young. Okay, I'll just file my taxes right now, you know. Bakit dalawa ang gaganap na Arnel? It's alternate system. So alternate system is yung parang nung walang aray na may ka-alternate. Hindi lang ako yung Arnel. Yan lang. Magpapalit-palit kami. Papalit-palit kami ng ng show. So kunwari sa Saturday na afternoon ako, tapos Saturday ng gabi siya. Tapos next Sunday siya naman yung sa siya naman yung sa afternoon, ako naman yung sa gabi. Ganun lang naman. Kasi mahirap din kasi kapag kapag dire-diretso ako or dire-diretso siya. So kailangan din ng alternate para makakapagpahinga yung actor. So yeah. Grateful ako na yung ka-alternate ko sobrang husay, si Ethan David. Yeah. Alternate need kasi nila ng rest. Pero may mga shows na walang alternate. Like, shoutout kay Benedix. He's doing Bar Boys right now. Wala silang alternate dun. So, wala silang pahinga. So, props to yung mga shows ngayon, mga theater shows na walang alternate. Grabe. Kudos to you. Someone commented, napaka low-key nyo na ni Alexa. Yeah. We're just we're enjoying our privacy na kasi I don't know, people like to comment stuff kasi, pero when you're private, people comment less and people can't judge it. You can't judge something that's private. Hello KD from San Beda. Hey, what's up? Beda Alabang? I was in Beda Alabang. Alabang. Sa Bedan ka pala. My alma mater. Yeah, I was from there. I graduated junior high there. Hindi ba pressured since dalawa kayo? No naman. I mean, this is the alternate. Yeah, alternates. No naman. Kasi like, I think it gives people more reason to watch because there will be plenty of actors who have their own take on the characters. Like, I have my own take kay Arnel. Siya, may sarili siyang atake kay Arnel. Parang si Noel, may sarili siyang atake kay Gilbert. At si Tomas, Alamat Tomas, may sarili siyang atake kay Gilbert. Pero at the end of the day, we're doing the same story, same circumstance. Our reactions and our choices are different. But the songs, the story, yung storyline namin is exactly the same. It's just how we plan to attack the character. Did you audition for Your Face 2? I was expecting you dun. Hindi ako nag-impersonate kasi. Yun yung mahirap. Kasi, ewan ko. Hindi ako nag-impersonate kaya medyo mahirap. Ayoko mapahiya dun. Kasi yung mga kasama kong artista ang uhusay. Nakakahiya. And sayang, feeling ko kasi sayang lang kapag pumunta ako dyan. Kasi hindi ako impersonator. Hindi ako marunong impersonate. Pinag-aralan mo na ba yung character prior to audition? Yes. I really do think na learning your character is crucial when you're going to auditions. Nagda-drums ka po ba? Hindi ako nagda-drums. Gitara lang po at ano. Who would you want to Alexa impersonate? Well, yeah, one chaperone. Ano pa? I want her to impersonate ano. Siguro someone from the 90s. Beyonce, feeling ko kaya niya. Beyonce kaya niya. Britney Spears kaya niya. Gusto ko din mag-ano siya. Shakira, kaya niya din Shakira. Taylor Swift, pwede din siya mag-impersonate Taylor Swift. You can impersonate Eric. Yeah, pero yan lang problema eh. Hindi pwede na isa lang ang pwede kong impersonate eh. Yeah. Pero I can try Elvis Presley. Evanescence vocalists. Oh yeah. Oo nga. Wake me up and I can't wake up. Save me. Pwede. She can do a lot. Because like talented siya eh, given na yun eh. Ako kasi I can't do a lot. I can only do me, Eric Santos, and konting Elvis. Enrique Iglesias. Pwede naman yan. Yung problema lang kasi kailangan ng abs. Wala akong abs. Nasa aeroplano. Na-late siya. Delayed flight. Aside from Bagets, meron ka bang ibang shows? Yes, I worked on a film recently. Magugulat kayo dito guys sa film na to kasi I don't think anyone expected this, not gonna lie. I don't think anyone expected this, but I'm a part of a film this year. Ipapalabas siya soon. And grabe, sobrang biglaan lang din. Sobrang biglaan, like special participation. Hindi siya horror. Pero yeah, basta makikita nyo guys, sobrang unexpected niya lang. Kapag sinabi ko kasi yung mga kasama ko doon, malalaman nyo na agad eh, wag na. Wicked. Nasa Wicked ako guys. Ako pala si Jonathan Bailey. Jonathan Bailey nga pala ng Paranaque guys. Dancing through life. Wait lang. I'm sorry. I'm looking at my laptop guys. Tumitingin ako sa kaliwa kasi tinitignan ko lang yung laptop ko kasi I'm looking at updates lang. And I'm watching. Yeah, what are you guys watching pala ngayon? Ano yung mga pinapanood nyo palang sa Netflix, sa Amazon, kung kahit saan? Are you guys watching teleseries right now? Are you guys watching I'm watching Superstore right now. It's my new comfort show. Wala lang. Sobrang niya lang. Ang basic ng premise niya. Pero, ang ganda ng atake niya. Kasi, it's about, it's very funny. The Bear. Sobrang dramatic niya, no? The Bear is really good. Si Jeremy Allen White, sobrang galing niya doon. Pero ngayon kasi, mas, nag-gravitate, mas biased ako ngayon sa sa comedy. Ewan ko, kasi ang dami ng stress sa mundo, tapos ipapastress ko pa sarili ko. Ako, it's okay to not be okay. The Philippine adaptation or the original? Because the Philippine adaptation is a really good. Kudos talaga kay Kuya Carlo, si Joshua at si Ate Ann. Gusto kita mapanood sa isang horror movie. Yeah. The horror movie, pangarap ko yan, horror movie. What's up guys? Saan si Cola? Nasa... You guys wanna see Cola ba? High Potential. Is that a show? What is your zodiac sign? I'm Taurus. It's a series. Okay, High Potential. Is it on Netflix? I'll search ko nga sa Netflix. Oh, it's on... is it on Netflix? I will check Netflix. Disney Plus. I don't have Disney Plus anymore. Wala pa bang GFC Cola? Wala pa. Ayun si, yung... Hindi naman niya DGF. Parang best friend niya lang. Si... Maggie. Pero si Aunt Maggie parang anak ko din eh. Dito sa bahay namin. Si Maggie, dog siya ng lolo ko. Pero parang dog ko na rin siya kasi, nilalaro ko rin siya. Yung color brown, minsan nagpo-post ako ng dog, color brown siya. Ayan, si Maggie. Siya yung aso ng lolo ko. Sige, I'll try High Potential. Saving Private Ryan, that's a really good movie. I love that movie. May pusa, wala pa. Pero I kind of count si Doja at si Chill. Parang pusa ko na rin sila. Pero si Chill ayaw niya sa akin eh. Gusto niya lang sa mami niya eh. Pero sa akin hindi, tumatakbo siya. Pero si Doja gusto niya naman ako. Thanks for the 100k likes guys. Thank you. And thank you for the gifts Favorite ko si Chill pero di niya ako favorite. Ano mo si Zaza Padilla? Wala po. When last mo nakita si Hayla Hailey? I saw Hailey I saw last Sunday. Last Sunday lang. Yeah. Sunday, wait lang, I'll check. When did I see Alex? I posted on my story, nag-steak kami. Was that Sunday? Yeah, it was Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. I saw Hailey na Sunday. I see them. I just don't like posting kasi I don't like posting kasi people like to judge, People like to judge. I don't like posting anymore. I like to keep yung kung ano meron kami private na lang. Kasi wala eh. Marami talagang ngayon. Maraming Apple ngayon eh. Kaya private na lang. Yeah, keep your privacy. It's when you have privacy, you have peace. That's what I'm saying. Katie, na-miss kita. Thank you, Zaldi ko. Ay, sorry. Ay, si Zald, sorry. Nakalagay kasi Zald eh. Na ako eh. Zaldi. Nakita ko si Zaldi. Yung username kasi niya Zald, Z-A-L-D-S. Nakalagay kasi Z-A-L-D-S. Kala ko sis pero hindi. Sorry, joke lang. May naman baon dyan, Zaldi ko. Partida, taxes namin yan eh. Pati si Zal dito ako talaga yan. Wala Zaldi, balik mo naman yung taxes namin. Please give it back. Hello po from Batangas. Yeah, hello. Shoutout dyan mga taga Batangas. Yeah. So yeah, I'm super happy with what's happening lang sa life. May ambag tayo sa sasakyan niya. Tama. Lahat ng sasakyan nila may ambag tayo. So basically, we own that. Hindi sa pagiging komunista, pero sa atin din yan. Yung payong na yung Rolls Royce na may payong, yung payong may ambag tayo dyan. Ganun talaga. Specs from I forgot the brand, but it's a local brand. Correct. Iba din talaga yun. Yeah, of course. For me lang, we have to speak up. Kasi sobra na talaga. Even, hindi, let's not, kahit hindi sobra, we still have to speak up because that's taxpayers' money and like it's super, it's evil talaga yung mga ginagawa ngayon ng mga Hi Katie, it's been a while. Dati sa IG kita pinapanood mag-live. Oh, hello, thank you. It's Eureka Shop. Welcome to my TikTok. Sing. I will sing kapag umabot tayo ng... Hindi, joke lang. Sorry, I can't sing right now. I'm kind of on vocal rest. Kailangan kong tipirin ang aking boses kasi kanta kami ng kanta sa Bagets eh. Yeah, Bagets. Thank you guys for being so supportive nung the 80s film. Yung 80s film guys na Bagets gagawin ng siyang musical and I play Arnel. So guys, please watch it. Next year na siya sa January. Kala namin dahil sa climate change kaya laging bahad. Di here sa Kalumpit, Bulacan sa Ghost Project pala. Yeah. Grabe talaga, no? I know, like grabe yung pangyayari ngayon sa the Ghost Projects and the flood control projects na subpar substandard. Hindi napupunta pala sa mga Rolls Royce, sa mga trip nila papuntang Japan. Grabe, no? Only in the Philippines. Pero hindi. Tayo bilang Pilipino dapat magkaroon tayo ng we have to stand up and we have to really pray and really do something about what's happening. Kaya galit yung mga tao nung last anong day yan ulit? Sorry. Yeah, it's a revolution. Kaya galit Kasi grabe na talaga yung pangyayari, guys. Number 21, yes. Stop asking these nonsense questions, please. Katie, may nakapagsabi na sa'yo, kamukha mo si Rico yan. I don't wanna take it. Kasi, kapag controversial, kasi kapag may nagsabi na may kamukha itong artista, ang daming babanat agad. Kaya I don't wanna take it. I just say thank. I mean, total guwapo naman si rest in peace, si Sir Rico. Pero I can't take. It's controversial kasi. For me ha. Kasi kapag may nagsabi na kamukha mo ito, may babanat agad na hindi. Kumusta naging experience mo sa rally? Super grabe. It really showed how everyone was like everyone involved, everyone there, like mga bata, matatanda, They were all there in the rally. They were all pushing through the rain. They were all chanting. They were all rallying. They were all protesting about the stuff happening in the country. And everyone was, yeah, there were like a few, parang, what's this? Showcase ba? Not really showcases. Showcases. Like, ano yung mga parang still art? Yung parang nakatayo sila dyan. Like, they're, yeah, basta, it's grabe talaga yung experience ko dyan. And talking with the people about what's happening in the country right now. And seeing people being all as one. It's just, it gives you hope then. But syempre, it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop in that day. Of course, we have to spread awareness all the time. I was curious paano kayo nakauwi nun. So I had to walk to Green Hills kasi dun kami nakapark. Naglakad ako papuntang Green Hills. Thank you guys ha. Super thank you for being there. It means a lot to us para kasama yung kami tumiting. Of course, naintindihan ko naman din yung mga hindi kaya pumunta kasi yung iba ang lalayo or yung iba they have other stuff to do, which is of course understandable naman talaga. Like some people just can't dedicate like that much time din kasi they have other things to do. Pero ang akin, it's fine kasi kaya pumupunta kami, yung mga kayang pumunta, we're doing it for you guys. And you guys are also spreading awareness din by like posts and stuff. What was your reaction nung knowing na ikaw ang gaganap na Arnel sa Bagets? Grabe yung saya ko. It was late at night. Parang siya, gabi. Yeah, late at night, tas gabi. Oo nga. Hindi, 12 midnight, nakita ko yung email. KD, tinanggap ka as Arnel sa Bagets. Yeah, bibigyan ka namin. Yeah, I was super happy, ecstatic talaga. Bukas na yung Your Face Sounds Familiar ni Alexa. Yes. Let's watch it, guys. Super excited to see that. She's gonna kill it, not gonna lie. Thank you guys. I don't know what time I'll end. I think I'll end soon. But yeah. Okay lang, nakikinig lang kayo sa akin na nagsasabi lang ng kung ano-ano. Multi-talented. Yes, madam. Super. Kaya Gen Z total performer. That's her. She deserves that. You know what I mean? That's her moniker. That's her other moniker. She deserved that one. Hayaan mo na si Alexa, binubudol mo lang siya. Wala ka lang love life eh. Block. Hindi. Kaya yun di ba? Kaya di ako nagpo-post eh. No, she deserves that. Yung title na total Gen Z total performer, she deserves that title. She's 100%, that's her. She can host, she can act, she can dance, she can sing. She did so much na. For me, underrated na artist si Alexa. Pero she doesn't deserve to be underrated anymore. She deserves to be, given the spot that she deserves, di ba? Ganun naman talaga eh. May mga babanat na hindi. Pero if you look at the work that she's done so much, di ba? Kaya hindi mo masisisi kung ba't niya nang binigay sa kanya na title. Anyways guys. Excited for what's coming. So the movie. This movie I'm working on, Bagets. Dami nangyayari. Bagets. Oh my God. Pero grabe yung mga sayaw namin dyan guys Like, it's not a joke. Hindi yung parang cute lang na sayaw na TikTok. Hindi. It's like sayaw talaga. Pero kaya ko naman humabol. Like, hindi, humahabol talaga ako. Like, I'm doing good. I'm doing good sa I'm doing good sa pagsayaw. Ayoko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ayoko malang mag-TikTok ng sayaw because it's not me. It's not my branding yet. Pero kapag nakita nyo na sa mismong musical, alam nyo na. Alam nyo na. Alam namin magaling ka sumayaw. Hindi magaling, marunong. Marunong ako sumayaw. Breakdance, 80s dance. Yep. Exactly. Favorite song of yours, Mahal Ba Kita, Bola Bola. Thank you. Bola Bola was a long time ago. Tagal na pala nun. Grabe. May kaldag ba yun sa'yo nyo, Katie? Sana wala. Feeling ko meron, pero sana wala. Ano ba yun? Gusto ko yung lang, cute lang. Ay, yung lang, cool lang. Huwag naman yung may kaldag. I think I'll keep my glasses off. Sige, good night na sa mga tutulog na. Late na dyan eh. Oh, you got powers. Oh, you got powers. Do you have movies this year? Yes. I just did. I have a special participation in one movie. Hindi ko sasabihin kung ano movie yan. Pero medyo big siya. Medyo big actually big production siya. Big production siya. I don't wanna say it. Workout routine. Ngayon tinatry ko with my coach, push-pull legs. It's been working naman for me. Pero hindi ako nagbubuhat ng sobrang bigat. Kasi sabi ko, ang hirap pag nagbuhat ako ng mabigat. Kasi kailangan sa musical, magaan ka lang. Kasi ang daming talon, ang daming sayaw. May mga tumbling pa. Kaya kailangan magaan lang ako dyan. So hindi sobrang bigat na buhat. Kasi kapag nagbuhat ka ng mabigat, parang bibigat rin yung mo eh. Yung pakiramdam mo. I don't know. For me. Galing mo pala mag-boxing, yeah. I had to recall Yeah. Nagpa-coach lang ako bago diyan. Bago yung araw na yan, yung shoot namin ni Kuya MJ. So nag-recall lang ako. Bam. Ganun. Jab, mga straight, hook, uppercut, ganyan. So yung forma, yung tamang forma lang. Soft boy looks. Thank you, I guess. Basta guys, hindi ako sasagot kung anong movie. Magugulat na lang talaga kayo. Mag-brown hair ka na ulit. Actually, I was thinking, should I do brown hair? Kasi lahat kami sa play, black hair. So inisip ko, baka pwede ko mag-brown hair. Para maiba lang yung itsura ko. Maiba lang yung itsura ko sa kanila. Kasi lahat kami black hair de. So bala ko magpa-brown. Siguro dark brown. Para magmukhang foreigner. Foreigner. Pero di usa ata ang hair dye noon 80s eh. Baka maiba lang katsura ko. Red na lang. Sige, red na lang natin yung buhok natin. All I dream of is your eyes. Muulan pa rin ba sa inyo? Konti, may konting ambon. Pero hindi nung sobrang ulan. I wanted to know fave na fave kong holiday love. Thank you. I wrote that before. Yeah, I wrote that quite. Yeah, I wrote that before going in PBB. So, yun yung nirecord ko bago ako nag-PBB, Holiday Love. Sabi ko, Kuya, record na natin to kasi may gagawin ako. Ay, Kuya Rox, pwede, i-record na natin to. Can I be your friend? We're all friends here. Ay, September, bare months na pala, no? Whenever I see girls and boys. Hope that you're okay, Kuya Kates. I've been doing really well. I don't know why people always say I look sad. It's just my eye bags, Kasi ako, na-repost ko, I realized I have resting sad face. Kapag wala akong expression at all. Kasi yung ibang tao kapag wala silang, kasi blanco lang yung mukha nila. Mukha silang galit. Pero may mga tao na kapag blanco lang yung mukha nila, tulad ako. Mukha kaming malungkot. Kahit hindi naman. Say mukhang malungkot. Pero hindi naman. Ano lang yan? Just resting face lang. Yung mata kasi, yung mata. Pero, hindi naman. Tumawa si Zaldi ko, Ay, sorry, si Zal. Sorry. Mapungay kasi. Kapag mapungay yung mata mo, at blanco mukha mo, mukha kang malungkot. Diba? Mukha kong malungkot, kahit hindi naman. Diba? Sleepy eyes kasi. Actually, tinatanong din ako. Like, nasa klase ako. Kunwari, nasa laptop lang ako. Kunwari, nagtatype lang ako. Tatanungin ako ng katabi ko, Bro, are you okay? Sabi ko, yeah, why? Sabi niya, you look sad, bro. Sabi ko, bro, I'm fine. Kaya like, nagets ko na rin bakit ang dami nagtatanong sa akin kung okay lang ako. Nagets ko na eh kasi okay kasi kapag wala akong expression, mukha akong malungkot talaga. I'm curious paano ako magalit. How do I get mad pa? I get mad. I think I have a clip in PBB. I got mad Pero ano, yeah, I got mad. Yeah, I got mad once in PBB. I think it's, I forgot. Pero ganun ako magalit. Yung mukha lang. I forgot what, I got mad at PBB like once. Yeah, I think you guys know what it. Yeah, I think you guys know what it is. That's how I usually get mad. Pero kahit ano kahit galit mukha ko, mukha pa rin akong malungkot. Yung mata ko kasi sobrang sobrang ganyan. But it's okay. Ganun naman talaga. May mga tao na kahit wala silang ginagawa, like blanco expression nila, pero iniisip mo na parang dami nitong iniisip. Pero hindi naman. Kaya I'm trying to make it a habit for me to smile more. Like I try to smile more kasi I look sad when I'm not doing anything. Okay, how was it meeting Andres Mulak? Yeah, he's really chill. Super chill. He's from the south also. So, nakarelate ako agad sa kanya. So, yeah. Super chill niya lang na tao. 11-11. Everybody, please make a wish. Huwag niyong sabihin kung ano yung wish. Huwag niyong babanggitin kung ano yung wish kasi hindi yan matutupad. Okay. Lord, saan siya? 11-11. May pasok ako bukas. Ingat po kayo bukas. Yeah. Oh, you got power. Oh, you got power. Sabi ng hagdan. Ilang kilometers yung... Oh nga pala, guys, I'm doing a fun run. I'm not doing the fun run. I'm just hosting. Hosting ako sa fun run namin. Tapos kasama ko si, yung co-host ko si Karina Bautista. Kasi kaming dalawa ang kaming dalawa yung ambassador ng Enderon na Star Magic. So we have to host. So yeah, hindi ako tatakbo. Mag-host lang ako. Mag-host lang kami. Alright! How's your gym life, KD? Wala ka ng progress update? No, I don't really wanna I don't really wanna do progress update kasi I wanna keep it to myself muna hanggat may mga resulta na visible na resulta. May resulta naman pero hindi small baby steps lang, baby steps. Yeah, pero yeah, this Sunday Enderon Fun Run. Mag-host ako dun. Kahit you don't have to go, guys. Kasi ano eh, private event din siya eh, so wala. Yeah. Are you from Enderon? Yes, I am. I am an Enderon student. Thank you, thank you. When ulit ang pre-love clothes? Yeah, guys. Sa pre-loved, I'll look for another batch this month. Gawa ko ng batch this month. I am a multimedia student in Enderon. I am currently in multimedia. Favorite Beatles song? Hard to choose. Probably Till There Was You. Who do you look like? Who do you look like? You look like someone, but who? International, local. Maglaro tayo Pinoy Henyo. Baka si KD Estrada. Oh, so it's you. I can do that. Started. I can do, yeah. You know what? I'll do So It's You. Sige, I'll get the guitar. FYI, di ko pa inaaral to. Smile, and that's how it all started. And you came right in time. Smile, that's how it all started. And you came right in time. When I needed someone, and we said hello. Suddenly my heart was beating fast. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Huh? Oh, very special moments, these will always be with me. We are here, you and we belong. I think kasama yun sa musical namin. I think kasama siya. Nakalimutan ko yung playlist namin sa musical, pero feeling ko kasama naman to sa play. So It's You by Raymond Dauchenko. Ganda ng boses ni Sir Raymond eh. Are you still introvert? Yeah. It doesn't work na bigla kong magiging extrovert. Di naman ganyan. I'm still introverted. Pero marunong na ako makisama sa iba. Ambivert ba? Like I can turn on my energy and I can turn off my energy. It just depends on the people I'm with. If I feel na hindi worth it na bigay ko yung energy ko sa mga tao, or hindi ko bibigay kasi sayang energy, di ba? I don't know if may mga introvert, kasi may mga introvert na na kaya makisama pero pinipili lang talaga nila. So yeah, yung stigma lang na na hindi na siya introvert, ganyan. May mga ganyan eh. Like kapag nakita akong masaya, sasabihin, hindi na siya introvert. Di naman ganyan eh. Ano, bawal maging masaya ang introvert? May mga tangang ganyan eh. Di ba? Tanga talaga. hindi ba pwede maging masaya ang ang mga tao na pinipili nila kung kanino dapat ibigay yung energy? Hey guys. Aray ko ang lakas ng ulan. I know, please mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan sa sa inyo. Kung malakas ang ulan, praying for you guys. Tangi. Yeah, people deserve to be happy. Like, regardless of what they identify as, regardless of their identity, regardless of their personality, people deserve to be happy. We saw you premiere sa BF Homes. Nagpa-pick kami sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung familiar ka. Oh yeah! Hello! Yeah. Madalas, baka makita niyo ako sa BF Homes kasi taga Paranaque ako. Bumabaha ba sa BF? Minsan, oo. Pero, doesn't matter. May mga lugar na mas baha. So, I mean, yes, of course, I sympathize with people who bumabaha sa BF. But there are plenty of places that are worse. Kailan kayo papakasal ng ate mo? So umaamin ka na papakasal kami. Tanggap mo na yun. Ikaw talaga. Kala mo. You thought you slide? Okay. Ito kala mo ang talino ng mga sagot eh. Kala mo, ang gagaling nyo kung bumanat Ikaw ba yung nakikita ko sa Surge Gym? I'm shy to ask. Yes! Yeah, I go to Surge. Surge ako, Surge baby ako. Shoutout kay Sir Bolts. Oh yeah, Katie, hello. Finalize ba kung sino magiging Janice sa Bagets? Meron na, oo. Pero, yeah. Taga ano siya taga ano sa theater siya theater actress siya Katie, sino ang Janice de Belen? Sino ang aga sa Bagets? Hintayin nyo na lang po. Noel siguro si Herbert. Yes po. Yeah. Yeah, Herbert. Si Gilbert. Kasi Gilbert is Herbert. Wala pa pong ticket sa Bagets po. Tagal pa yan. January. Ay, hindi naman matagal. Kasi ilang buwan na lang din Jaime, kamusta? What's up? Pasabi kay Mike, kuya, miss ko na siya. Mike? Sino si Mike? Mike? Naging messenger bigla. Oo nga, ginagawa mo kong Viber. Tawagan mo na lang. Kaya nga may cellphone ko, di ba? Si Mike. Si Mike, yeah, Mike. Ano eh, kababata ko si Mike eh, yeah. Sige. Pero pwede mo naman i-message. pwede ka naman mag-message, mag-text sa kanya. Kasama ko si Mike, kung nakita niyo sa video ko, may kasama ko sa pag-rally sa September 21. Nung September 21, si Mike, kababata ko siya, he's like my childhood friend. Kilala ko pala. Kailangan lang ng apelido. Mahirap lang kasi kapag kapag first name lang. Nagre-rehearse na ba kayo? Yeah, workshops. Nag-workshop na kami for Bagets. So it's you. I've been waiting for so long. So it's you. Hello, Katie. Last question. Dalawa ba? Hindi. Isa lang gaganap na Janice. It's just Janice. She's basta theater actress siya from UST. Nakalimutan ko na. Kasi si Arnel may siya yeah. He has a love interest there. Love interest lang naman, hindi naman love team. Grabe naman kayo. At your age, what inspires you? What inspires me? Health. Honestly, health. Like, my well-being. Well-being is Well-being is what inspires me. Like, peace, clarity, physical health. Parang ganun pa din yun. No, kasi focus naman siya sa boy's story. So like, and guys, at the end of the day, kailangan yun intindihin. I'm an actor. Actor ako. It's work. I have to be professional. I just don't believe na other people can't believe that I'm not a professional. That I don't have boundaries. Like, guys, at the end of the day, I'm an actor ako. Yan yung trabaho ko. Di ba? Trabaho lang naman eh. Yung iba kasi hindi nila naintindihan yun. Gets ko naman. Pero this is what I'm passionate. What I'm passionate about is acting and performing for people. And yeah, like I can choose when to keep my stuff private, and when I can keep my personal life and my private life private. Simple. That's simple. Hindi ba kayo nagsiselos? No, like no. Like we don't get jealous kasi kaya nga work. It's called work. Di ba? So, yeah, maturity. And this is like a growing experience. This is like, I don't think that should be the focus. The focus should be na I'm doing something that's really grand. I'm doing something that will help me grow. I'm doing something that is gonna push me to be better, better performer, di ba? ginagawa ko yung mga projects hindi para sa I don't do it for the people I'm with. I do it for me. It's that simple. You do it. Yeah. It just baffles me lang. May mga tao talaga na hindi nila nakakaintindi kung sa mga professional. The Arnel farewell and so it's you. Yeah, we'll be singing that, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be me only. Siguro I'm gonna share it with some of the boys. And Bagets the musical, the focus more is like the boys, because like you see these five boys develop themselves through high school. They go through ups and downs. Lahat sila may sarili silang story. And they're going through puberty. Yeah, they're going through puberty. They're going through high school. Pero of course, like, I don't wanna downplay din. Like yung mga ensembles din na I don't wanna downplay the ensembles because they're very talented too. And like, we should give them credit din where credit is due. So yeah. Who will act as Adi? Guys, if you guys keep asking, sasabihin ko talaga kung sino yung Adi namin. Pero feeling ko may gut feeling ang iba. May mga nakakapag-CR pa din ba kayo? Yeah. Yun nga din kasi yung teatro namin, yung stage namin, sobrang laki. So kapag kunwari, okay, out muna ako, tatakbo talaga ako papunta sa CR kasi sobrang layo, ang lawak ng stage namin. Pero yeah. Pero guys, yeah, like don't forget to watch also yung mga alternates namin kasi ang dami naming boys. So we have yeah, sasabihin ko yung cast. I mean, bukod kay Adi, sasabihin ko yung cast. So for Gilbert, we have Noel Comia and Alamat Tomas. For Tonton, which is si William Martinez, we have Serenade Migo and Serenade Milo. For Arnel, I share the role with Ethan David. And for Topi, we have Jeff Moses and Sam Shof. And for Adi, we have yeah. Mas malawak pa sa PETA Walang Aray. Sobrang laki ng stage ng Newport Theater. Yeah, Sam Shof is part of the play. He's plays Topi with Jeff Moses. Oh, thank you, Doc G. Thank you. Yeah, ang laki, diba? Kung na-search nyo, sobrang laki ng Newport, guys. Yeah, it's in Pasay. Preparation para ginagawa. Ayun, madaming sayaw. Ito ata yung pinaka project na sumasayaw talaga ako. Yeah, ito yung project na I think ito yung first project na sumasayaw, like todo sayaw talaga ako dito. Paano yung sayaw? Ikaw nga, alika dito, Bondok. Guys, si Bondok, oh. Invite natin, pasayawin natin to. Guys, kapag umabot to ng 250k likes, pasasayawin natin si Bondok. Ito, hindi, aalis na daw. Hindi. Joke lang. How's your experience with the other cast? Yung boys, parang magkakapatid na talaga kami. Para talaga kaming tropa na, ayun, parang yung sa Bagets, yung original movie, parang kaming ganyan na. Yung samahan namin, sobrang brotherly na. We're having lots of fun. Saan mas mahirap, Umar? Ay, ano sabi? Have you met the original cast of Bagets? No, not yet. No, not yet. I really want to though. Of course, the original cast, si Sir Herbert Bautista, si William Martinez, si JC Bonin, si Raymond Lauchenko, and si Aga Mulang. Mas mahirap umarte. Depende kasi kung ano trip mo. Pero for me camera talaga kasi subtle dapat subtle. Subtle lang. Parang, subtle lang sa camera kasi. Mahihain ka lang sumayaw, pero magaling ka. Sakto lang. But Bagets is batang 90s. No, I think it's young, older than that. Kasi batang 90s. Kasi the movie came out 1984. Pero yes, batang 90s. Pwede pa siya. Do you miss Ten Yong's role? Yes, I miss Ten Yong so much. Ten Yong is Ten Yong is my debut in theater. So of course I love the Ten Yong role with all my heart, and I love playing it alongside with Alexa, and of course the rest of the cast. They're sobrang husay nila. Of course si Kuya Vince, si Kuya Ian. Yes, ongoing pa po kami sa workshops. New here, do you have full movies? I'm gonna have a full movie, but special participation po. Yeah, I'll be having a special participation in the upcoming movie. Okay, di nag-audition ka ba sa mga series? That's the thing, guys. Like, usually kapag series, hindi sila nagpapa-audition. Like, I'm gonna be a bit honest right now. Like, sa series, depende kung mapapa-audition sila. Like, it depends on the roles. It depends on depends on the production if magpapa-audition sila for a certain role. Pero usually, meron na silang mga actor in mind. Pero there are rare times naman na nagkaka-auditions para sa isang serye. Ito na ba si OA ng PBB introvert daw? OA lang pala. It's okay. It's okay, John. You can keep chatting to your 90 followers. Yeah, like I said, hindi dapat basehan ng pagiging introvert ang pagiging masaya. Daming problema din dyan, di ba? Bakit 2 characters ang gumaganap sa Bagets? Kasi alternate system po kami. So yeah, I share the role. So minsan ako ang nasa Saturday show, or siya yung nasa gabi, ako sa umaga. Parang ganyan. OA. Ang laki ng problema mo. Kamusta ka work si Ethan? Sobrang galing ni Ethan, grabe. Si Ethan is Ethan is so talented, dancing, singing, acting. He's like triple threat talaga si Ethan David. Well, given naman yan kasi nasa boy group siya. And I'm sure yung mga ka-boy group na sobrang talented din. But I'm so happy to be working and sharing the role with Ethan. Kasi si Ethan, ibang klaseng halima yung pagkanta niya, grabe. Sobrang different level siya. Daling, oo. Yeah. Yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, bro, LSS talaga ako sa kanta niyo. Daling, dali. Sobrang galing ng mga kasama ko. Ang mahusay nilang lahat. Ang galing ng cast natin, guys. It's all nice kasi lahat kami, like, we're all getting into theater together. I mean, besides from Noel, kasi si Noel, grabe. Si Noel ay veterano na sa theater. Super duper naman ganda ng voice mo kaya. Thank you. Sakto lang. Hindi ka nagwo-workout. Gusto mo workout tayo ngayon? Sama kita. Group ni Ethan. Ethan is in G80. Viva. Go no guitar tonight? No, sadly no. Can't. I mean, I did one a while ago, but I'm resting now. Daling dali hataw. What's your workout song? When I work out, I listen to right now 80 songs. 80 songs. Handler mo po ba si Rama? No, Mama Joy is not my handler anymore. My handler is si Kuya Arlie. I love Mama Joy. And I love Kuya Arlie also. Ay, si Kuya Arlie ito. Dito, nanonood pala eh. Ano yung marami yung pabubang cast na i-reveal for Bagets. I mean for the ayun yung last na yung last sa mga boys. Last na sa boys, si Adi. Yun na lang i-reveal. Tapos they're gonna reveal yung mga nanay, mga classmates, ganyan. So yeah. So inuna kaming mga boys tapos susunod yung mga Tapos si Adi, no? Oh, si Adi. Hindi yung hindi Adi na agamula ka. As in Adi ng sa araw-araw. Ayun. Hindi, joke lang. Alright guys, ano diet mo KD? Ngayon, basta high protein, mas madaming madaming karne. Sir, ano prefer niyo yung food? I like chicken breast. Chicken breast, I like chicken breast. What time do you usually sleep? Oh my god, it's already 11:41. I just realized. I think I have to go na, guys. But yeah, thank you. Chicken breast. Yeah, chicken breast ako. More veggies. Pero yeah, more veggies, more chicken, more meat. Anong secret hindi ka tumatanda, KD? 23 pa lang po ako. Kala mo naman 50 years old na ako. Pero thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for all the gifts. So excited for what's coming. So excited for everything coming into place. Ayun, itong movie that I worked on. This musical that I'm currently working on. I'm happy din for everyone. Thank you so much. Mga cadets ko, thank you. Of course, mga sweethearts din namin. Thank you so much. And guys, don't forget, Canada. Pupunta kaming Canada sa October. Nakalimutan ko na, pero October, pumunta kaming sa Canada, Vancouver, October. Kasama kong ibang artista, pati din of course si Alexa. October 14. Siyempre kasama ko si Alexa dyan. And other various artists din na sobrang uhusay. Very grateful for everyone coming. Thank you for the gifts, thank you for the hearts, thank you for the likes, thank you for the views. Thank you sweethearts, thank you K-Dads. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Ingat kayong lahat. Okay, I have to. Okay, may mga assignment pa ako. Sige, ingat.